How to fix the Zenless Zone Zero app is not working or the crashing. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that your device like your PC, mobile or the PlayStation meet the system requirement for running the Zenless. After that, you have to close the other app while playing the game to avoid the slowdowns on your mobile device. Now in the PC, you have to verify that your graphic card drivers, especially Nvidia, are up to date. After that, you have to update the game. For that, check for the updates in the App Store and into your profile. So if you are in the PC, you have to go into the Epic Games launcher and then verify the games file to ensure the integrity. After that, you have to enable all of the auto updates for a seamless experience. Now to avoid the mid-mission changes, for that you have to crashes can occur after adjusting the settings at the mid-mission, like the voice changes, subtitles and the difficulty. So you have to finish the tutorial section with NB before making any of the changes. So if you encounter downloading the errors, then you have to try the following option, that is allow the Zenless through your firewall, and then you have to restart the downloading process if you stuck in the compiling shaders, and after that you are able to fix the Zenless Zone Zero app is not working or the crashing. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.